Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft. So, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that you would want to do is to combine fire and water to make a steam. And then combine fire and steam to make engine. Now combine earth and fire to make a lava. Then combine lava and water to make stone. Then combine stone and wind. After making a sand, combine sand and engine to make a sandbox. After making sandbox, combine earth and wind to make a dust. And then combine dust and earth to make a planet. And then combine sandbox and planet to make Minecraft. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.